Alright, we got cute little ducklings over there, and I'm gonna try and get a better video, get close. Got some food in my hand, let's see how it works out. Alright, we're a little closer. They're still not startled, that's good. Seem pretty friendly. A couple more steps. They're so cute. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ducklings. And the mother, assumably. Over here we got another pair, male and female. We got mallards. Alright, let's see if I can step forward without alerting them. Hey babies, it's okay. It's okay. They're just trying to get some sleep. There's a light drizzle happening. I'm not bothering them, but they are wary. Cool little songbird. We got 9. 1, 2, yeah, 9 of them. Some of them are prepared to dive into the water. Some of them don't care that I'm here at all. I love them. They're really close to where I live. Just chilling around, ducking around, being ducks. These are wild ducks. Alright guys, I'll stop bothering you. See you later, neighbors. They decided to go away. I decided to leave just a second too late. They're not running from me. They're just going to go a little bit upriver, go take a nap someplace else. See if we see anything cool. Sorry. Oh, sometimes they'll hop cool stuff like that.